Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how you can create a splash screen on both application, user and driver application. Okay, we have already created in previous video. Okay, both application like driver application and user application. So in this video I am going to show you how you can implement splash screen, and we will also see how you can create routes for both application. Okay, so now I am going to open my application. Okay, so firstly I am going to set splash screen and routes on user application. So I am going to open this application. You can see this is main.dart file. I am going to remove unnecessary codes. So I am going to remove this my home page first. So just remove this and remove these comments. And we will follow MVVM pattern to write our codes. Okay, so I'm going to create the structure of MVVM. So just uh, click on lib and right click, and then you will get directory option. Just click on directory, then create model. Similarly, we will create another directory that will be view, and another directory that will be view underscore model view model. Okay, MVVM pattern we will use, and one more folder I'll create of config. Okay, firstly I'm going to create the route of this application. Okay, with the help of route we can navigate from one page to another page, or we can pass the data with the help of navigation. Okay, so now I'm going to create the routes of this application. So just click on config and create dart file, and now I'm going to create one dart file. So just enter this and write class here inside on generate route, and then here we will use static route, and this will be the type of dynamic. Okay, and here we will use route settings. Sorry, inside config we will create one more folder. Okay, so I'm going to separate these routes. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop inside routes and just refactor it, so you will get. Simply I move this file inside routes folder. Okay, and now I'm going to work on generate route file. Okay, so here we will use, so with the help of this setting we will get the name of the route, and with the help of the name of the route we will navigate any pages. Okay, so if you want to pass arguments on any pages, then you can use this settings dot arguments. Now I am not using this. Okay, simply I am navigating, but we will use further. Okay, so I have written this. Now I will use switch case here, and here we will use settings, this setting, and with the help of this setting we will get the name of the route, and inside this we will Inside this we will create many cases, and with the help of that cases we will navigate. Okay, inside rod we will create one more file, okay, like fetch. Inside page constant we will mention all the pages name. Okay, so just create class of this page constants, and here we will use static const and string. Okay, so firstly I am going go inside view and just right click and create dart file. So so we will create one view that will be the splash screen. Okay, import material dot here, and use stateful widget. Okay, and here we use safe area, and here we will use scaffold. Okay, and it will accept body. Inside body I'm going to show you inside body I have written one dummy text. Okay, that is splash screen, and similarly for one more view we will create. So the another view will be error page. Okay, error screen. Import material dot and then stateful widget. Go inside splash screen and just copy this return to save our time. So just copy this, and here we will paste this, and now we will change this splash screen name. Okay, so you can see we have a splash screen and we have error screen. Now I'm going to define the name of this both screens. So string, with the help of this name we will navigate to this screen. Okay, one more page I'm going to create, I forgot. Okay, home screen. Okay, import material dot and stateful widget, and then here just copy this return to save our time. Just paste here and just change the name of this page. And now I'm going to create the name. Okay, so this will be the home screen. So our page constant class is also ready. Now I'm going to work on generate route. Okay, here. So we will use case, and the first case will be the splash screen case. Okay, so here page constants, it is inside page constant, so I'm going to access this dot splash screen. If the setting dot name means this rod name will be splash screen, then it will navigate to the splash screen page. So I'm going to return that page here. So this is the widget material route widget, so I'm going to create material page route here, and then here we'll pass the type of the page. So this is the type of widget here. So and now I'm going to return this material page route. Okay, and here we need to pass context, so we don't have any context, so I'm going to pass underscore here, and then pass this widget. Okay, with the help of this material page route we will call our widgets here inside return. Write material page route here, and inside widget we need to mention the page name. So the page name will be the splash screen. Okay, I think it is not imported, so you can see now no errors. So similarly we will create another case for another page. So our another page is home screen, and in default we will pass error page. Okay, if we will get, if we will not get any type of pages, then we will have to send that user into the error screen. So I am going to use default, and here we will mention return material page route, and here we will use error. What is the name of this? Error screen. Okay, error screen. Okay, so our route is completed. Now I am going to call this route. What is the error here? You can see no errors now, and now I am going to call this on page route inside main.dart. So firstly we need to use initial route, so initial route will be this, and here we will use routes. And if we want to load any page initially, then we will have to pass that page here. So inside routes we need to define the initial page. Okay, in the initial page we need to pass that page, so the initial page will be the splash screen we want to show. Okay, so you can see our routes is also completed. Now here one more props, that is on generated route. Inside on generated route we will have to pass our this on generated route class. Okay, so inside on generated route we have a route which is in static, so we can access directly. So on page on generated route dot routes. Okay, so you can see we have successfully created our route. Now I am going inside splash screen here, and I am going to decorate this splash screen first. But before this I am going to import logo. Okay, so just click on this user app and create one folder, create directory. Okay, so here the folder will be assets. Inside asset we will take one more folder, that will be the images. Inside images we will put our image logo image, so I'm going to use this image as a logo. So just copy this image and paste here. Okay, so you can see our images is here, our image is here. Okay, and just rename this file. So now I've created one assets folder. Inside assets I have created one images folder, and inside images I have added one logo image. Okay, now I am going to mention this file inside pubsec.yml. So just go inside pubsec.yml and here uncomment this assets, and here assets images. Okay, and then press on pubget. You can see no errors now. And now I am going inside config, and I am going to create one dart file, all images, and just create class, and here we will use static constant logo image, and here we will mention the image path. So assets images logo.png. So this is the path of the logo image. We will use this image. Okay, so here in the splash screen, now I'm going to create container here. Here we will assign height and width. So I'm going to create one more dart file inside config. So here we will use all dimensions. Okay, and here we will use two double variable. Okay, inside this double variable static const double, and here we will use double dot infinity. Okay, and inside this class we will define all the dimensions, like static const double 1 equals to 1, 2. Okay, this type of dimension we will add here. Okay, and we will use into our main pages. So here we will use all dimensions dot infinity, and for the width we will also use infinity. Okay, now I'll create child, and inside child we will use stack. With the help of stack we will get children here. Inside children we will use this, and here clip behavior clip dot none we will use. Okay, and inside stack we will take position With the help of position widget, we can align any widget according to our need over the screen. So here we will use logo. Okay, image dot asset, and our image path is inside all images. Okay, all images dot logo image, and we will define height and width. So height will be 200. No, I'm not going to assign height and width. Okay, here, and in the position widget, left will be 0. No, left will be 50, right will be 50, and the top will be 0, bottom will be 0. Okay, we will take one more position widget here, and this will be left 0, right 0, bottom 0. Okay, and here we will use one container. Okay, so inside container we will take one child, and inside child we will use, just go inside config and create one more dart file, all titles. Okay, just write class, and static const powered underscore title. Okay, powered by Rose Kharida. Okay, powered. I am not directly writing all the strings here. I have created separate class, and I have mentioned the title here, and we will access this title here. Okay, so here we will use all titles dot powered title. Okay, and inside container we will use alignment dot center. Now I'm going to run this application. Okay, you can see our application is looking like this. Okay, now I'm going to remove this banner, debug banner, and I'll change the background of this. Okay, so just go inside main.dart, and inside material app we can use debug show change banner false. Okay, so you can see here debug banner has gone. Okay, now I'm going to change the background of this. Okay, go inside splash screen, and here, but before we need to create one more class, all colors, static const, and then colors. Okay, so we will access this color here in the all splash screen. So go inside container and just write colors, all colors dot yellow color. Now I'm going to save this so you can see background color changed. If you want to change this background, okay, status bar background, then you can also change from here. Write system chrome dot set system UI overlay style, and then system UI overlay style, and inside this we will use background color, and here in the background color you can set color, all colors dot yellow. You can see background status color is changed, but I'm not going to change now. Okay, further we will change this. Okay, when you will restart the application, then the color will change. Okay, now in all titles I forgot one thing also. Here we will use app title. Okay, and here we will use Ubola, and inside main dot I am going to change this title. Okay, app title dot app title. Okay, now our user app is completed. Now I'm going to create all the rods and splash screen on driver app similarly. So just close this project. Okay, and now I'm going inside Ubola folder, Ubola cap folder, and just go inside mobile app, and just go inside user app, and just copy these assets. And now I'm going inside driver app and just paste here. Okay, because similar logo I am going to use inside driver app. Okay, so now I am going to user app, and then just copy this lib folder, and then again I am going inside driver app and then paste here. So we need to replace the file in the destination. Okay, so similar files we will get. Okay, now I'm going to open this driver application. You can see we have copied assets folder from user app and all the folders from user app. Okay, and now I'm going inside pubsec.yml file, and here uh, just uncomment this, and then press pub get. Okay, Now we have many errors. Now I'm going to solve all the errors, so just ignore this. And now just go inside routes, just remove this and just import all the screens. Okay, if you don't get any error, then it's okay, no need to do anything. Okay, similarly we will import, just remove this red imports, and now I'm going to import here also. Similarly I'm going inside splash screen and just remove this all and just import this also. Import this. You can see we have no errors now. Now I'm going to run this application also. Okay, you can see our application is running successful. Okay, but the status bar is yellow color still. Okay, so for this you will have to remove this commented code on user app also. Okay, when you will remove this, then you will get the default color. Okay, okay, I think this is the version issue. Okay, I will solve on next video. Okay, that's all for this video. We will see further on next video. Thank you.